Now let us discuss about intersection operation in relational algebra. Intersection operator is called as binary operator. Binary means two. In order to perform intersection operation, we requires two relations or two tables. So that's why intersection operator is called as binary operator, whereas select operator and project operator are called as unary operators. Why? Because in order to perform select operation and project operation, one table or one relation is enough. But here, in order to perform intersection operation, we require two tables. So that's why we can call intersection operator as binary operator. Intersection operator returns the common rows present in both the tables. So the common information, the common tuples which are present in both the tables is written by the intersection operator. Intersection operator is denoted by this symbol. So reverse of U symbol. Okay. In order to perform the intersection operation, we need to satisfy two conditions. They are, the first condition is both relations, or we can call relation as table also. Both tables must have same number of columns. Both relations must have same number of columns. And the second condition is every domain, every column must have same domain in both relations. So if these two conditions are satisfied, then only we can apply the intersection operation. Let us see the first condition. Both relations must have same number of columns. Here in this example we have two relations, student and employee relation. Student relation have two columns, employee relation have two columns. So the first condition is satisfied. Both relations have same number of columns. And the second condition is every column must have same domain in both the relation. If we consider the first column in the first relation, it is rule number, it is accepting some integer values. Likewise, if we consider the first column in the second relation, it is employee number, it is also accepting an integer value. So here the first column of both the relations have same domain called integer. Likewise, if we consider the second column in the first relation, it is accepting name, some characters. Likewise, here also if we consider the second column of the second relation, here also it is accepting some characters. So we can say that the second column of both the relations have the same domain called the character. Okay. Now let us see an example for this. Let us perform intersection operation on the student and employee table. It will returns the common tuples which are present in both the relations. Okay. Here in student table the attribute names are roll number name, whereas in employee table the attribute names are employee number and employee name. So now in the result table the attributes will become the first two table attributes. So what are the first two table attributes? Roll number and name. So these are the attributes. Now let us see here what are the common tuples. So 70A is not present in the second table. Next 71B, if you consider 71B is present in both the relations. So 71B is the first tuple, first row. Next to 72C, so this is not present in the second relation. Next to 73D is present in both the relations. So the second row is 73D. Okay. So here also 74E, this is not present in this relation. 75F is not present in this relation. So here the intersection of these two tables returns this result. So totally we have two rows. Why? Because these two rows are common tuples. These two rows are common rows which are present in both the tables. Row can also be called as tuple. So this is one row, this is first tuple, or this can also be called as first row, second tuple, second row. Okay. So here this is the output. Now let us write one query. Find common names of student and employee table. So we need to find common names here. Here we are performing operation on a single column. So in order to perform operations on the column, we have to use the project operation. So pi, here we need to find what? Name. So pi name of, so this is nothing but student table, intersection, pi name of, so what is the second one? Employee table. Okay. So what are the names which are common in both the tables? So B is common. Next one is D is common. So it will produce output like this. So name. So what is the output? B is common, D is common. So it will produce as like this. So this is about intersection operation in relational algebra. This is about intersection operation in relational algebra.